may not be the prettiest system in the world, but it gives you very nice, smooth parts, low dross, consistent, smooth finishes, year after year after year. Just 2 weeks ago at the NASCC, the Steel Conference Show, I had customers walking up to our booth, looking at my parts saying, "Oh, you guys sell lasers." And I got to look at them and say, "Nope, this is plasma." When you marry the right technology together, you can get laser-like quality for a fraction of the price.
Precision cut is the result of the servo drives, servo motor resolution, drive tuning, and mechanics of the machine. We spend a huge amount of time on the details of the mechanics and not try to cut the corners.
And it really comes down to the whole supply chain, and every single component on that machine tool needs to be of the highest quality with the most features possible. It all adds up to being the best, smoothest motion control you can get, and that results in the best parts to our end users.